Gobi Desert is in which country? Answer is Mongolia and northern China. Which is the largest country in North America? Answer is Canada. Who gave the Big Bang Theory? Answer is George Lemaitre. Which is the world's coldest desert? Answer is Antarctica. Golden Revolution is related to which crop? Answer is horticulture and honey. With which industry is Blue Revolution related? Answer is fish production. Which country is known as Little Venice? Answer is Venezuela. In which type of rocks is iron found? Answer is in igneous rocks. Dash soil is rich in surface accumulation of organic matter. Answer is peat. Who was the father of geography? Answer is Eratosthenes. Which soil is called Regur soil? Answer is black soil. What is the name of the topmost layer of the earth? Answer is crust. Where is the Taklamakan desert located? Answer is China. Which is the outermost range of the Himalayas? Answer is Shivalik range. What is the shining part of the sun called? Answer is photosphere. Which is the largest country in Europe by area? Answer is Russia. Where is the Sahara Desert located? Answer is Africa. Which is the third longest river in the world? Answer is Yangtze River. In which country is the Suez Canal located? Answer is Egypt. Who gave the rules of motion of the planets? Answer is Johannes Kepler. On the bank of which river is London situated? Answer is Thames. Which is the largest latitude line? Answer is the equator. Who discovered Greenland? Answer is Robert Peary. On which river is the Aswan Dam in Africa? Answer is on Nile River. Which is the closest galaxy to Earth? Milky Way. Answer is Andromeda Galaxy. In which country is the world famous oolong variety of tea produced? Answer is Taiwan. Which is the leading country in gold production? Answer is China. In which mountain range is Mount Etna located? Answer is Sicily, Italy. Which planet is nearest to Earth? Answer is Venus. Which canal connects the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean? Answer is the Panama Canal. Where is Mount Kailash located? Answer is Tibet. What is the capital of Azerbaijan? Answer is Baku. What is the downfield of a mountain called? Answer is orientation. Where is the plateau of Meseta located? Answer is Spain. Which is the landlocked country in South America? Answer is Bolivia and Paraguay. In which galaxy is our solar system located? Answer is Milky Way. When does a lunar eclipse happen? Answer is at the full moon phase. Which is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea? Answer is Sicily. Where is the Great Victoria Desert located? Answer is Australia. Which is the largest river in the world according to the volume? Answer is Amazon River, South America. In which continent is Vinson Massif Mountain located? Answer is Antarctica. In how much time does the sunlight reach the earth? Answer is 8 minutes 20 seconds. Who is called mixed agriculture? Answer is along with crop production, animal husbandry also. Which is the world's largest delta? Answer is Sundarbans Delta. Who is known as golden fiber? Answer is jute. Which is the brightest planet visible at night? Answer is Venus. In which country is Onega Lake located? Answer is Russia. Which is the highest waterfall? Answer is Salto Angel, Venezuela. The grasslands of which country are called pampas? Answer is Argentina. Which is the largest landlocked country in the world in terms of area? Answer is Kazakhstan. Which is the deepest lake in the world? Answer is Lake Baikal. What is the name of the highest mountain peak of the Andes Range, South America? Answer is Aconcagua, Argentina. Who is called Gate of South America? Answer is Venezuela. Grey Revolution is related to? Answer is fertilizer production. How many days does the moon take to revolve around its own axis? Answer is 27.3 days.